kilogram of seawater contains 6 mg of dissolved oxygen. The concentration of O2 in the sample in ppm is ppm ಅಂದ್ರೆ parts per million. ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? It is mass of solute divided by mass of solvent into 10 to the power 6. ಈಗ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್. 6 mg ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 grams divided by mass of solvent. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 kilogram of sea water ಇದೆ. So that is 10 to the power 3 grams into 10 to the power 6. So ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 into ಈ 10 to the power minus 3 ಮೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we get 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 6. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? This is approximately 6 ppm. Option 2 will be the correct answer.